Creating an outcome-focused roadmap. Welcome back to the Agile Chef vlog. Today, we'll dive deeper into the critical role of setting a product vision and how it contributes to creating an outcome-focused roadmap for a product. As an Agile coach and design thinking facilitator, I believe that a product vision workshop is the foundation for any successful Agile project. It sets the stage for creating a roadmap that aligns the teams towards delivering valuable outcomes. Step 1. Defining the product vision. In the product vision workshop, we gather key stakeholders, including product owners, team members, and subject matter experts, to define the purpose and vision of the product. Step 2. Identifying outcome-orientated goals. During the workshop, we identify outcome-orientated goals that align with the product's purpose. These goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Benefit number 1. Clarity and alignment. The Product Vision Workshop provides clarity and alignment among stakeholders, ensuring everyone understands the desired outcomes and direction of the product. Benefit number 2. Prioritization and focus. By identifying outcome-orientated goals, the team can prioritize features and initiatives that directly contribute to achieving those goals, resulting in a focused roadmap. Benefit number 3. Customer-Centric approach. The Product Vision Workshop helps the team adopt a customer-centric approach as it focuses on understanding customer needs and delivering value to the users. Benefit number 4. Flexibility and adaptability. An outcome-focused roadmap allows the team to remain flexible and adaptable as it can adjust priorities based on changing market conditions and customer feedback. In conclusion, a well-executed product vision workshop lays the groundwork for creating an outcome-focused roadmap. By defining the product vision and identifying outcome-orientated goals, teams can align their efforts, prioritize effectively, and deliver value to customers and stakeholders. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the importance of setting a product vision and creating an outcome-focused roadmap. Remember to subscribe to the Agile Chef channel and stay tuned for more Agile insights and tips. Until next time, have a great day.